At Be Positive, they manufacture their range of composite screen bottom boards on site. Now here's Steve to explain the manufacturing process.
Today we're going to make screen bottom boards, which we use for catching small hive beetle because they're a big problem. So we start off with our two sidebars, then we start making the front of the hive, and all this is screwed together with our stainless steel screws, and all the material is our composite material which we make our boxes out of also. These are our countersunk screws. Just screw in to the right depth, get them out of the way. The next job is to put our stainless steel mesh on. It's 3.3 millimeter mesh. It's especially made for beekeeping and the small hive beetle. The bees can't go through it, but even the largest small hive beetle can. And that's the beauty of it. Right, that's done. Now we need the top. So the top is made on this jig here. And we put this onto our screen bottom board, and it's nearly complete. It's your screen board that goes inside. And there we have a screen bottom board. Pull your drawer out to put your diatomaceous earth on and slide it back in position. It's good and strong, no paint required, ready to use.
So make sure you check out the range of composite screen bottom boards manufactured on site, along with other beekeeping supplies and raw honey, available in store at Be Positive in Yandina and online at bepositive.com.au.